Hi, I'm Michelle, the computer lady with CellBotics.
And I'm Nicole. I'm the cell phone repair trainer here at CellBotics.
And what we're going to talk to you about today is if you're a single female and you want to be an entrepreneur and you live in your van and make money as you travel across the United States.
Yes, so we actually know that this is a really highly trending topic, and it just so happens that we already help people in this very situation. We are two women that travel and earn income, right? While we travel, while we move about the country, right? And so we may live in one place, but we are mobile. Yes. All over. So even if you're living full-time in your van, you definitely can earn income while you're on the road, no matter where you are, okay?
And the cool thing about being a technician, you only need a certain amount of tools to take with you in your van while you earn money. The other thing is you have these things accessible to you. Facebook Marketplace, other places that you can advertise on that give you clients that say, hey, I'm in your area. Do you need your phone fixed? Do you need your computer fixed? I'm here and I can travel to you and fix.
Yeah, and being a single woman traveling the country in a van in that situation, you think, well, that's just too techy for me. We promise it's not, okay? The way that we break it down in our course is we make it so simple that even people that don't know what a tool is, have never touched a Phillips head screwdriver. If I said that and you don't know what it is, that's okay because we teach you that.
Absolutely.
Right? And you can do this with very minimal tools that we actually give you.
We provide.
It's included in the price.
It's included in the course.
It's included in the course.
We insist on it.
That's right. And so some ideas about where you want to advertise. So we want to give you some value here, right? So even though you're not fixing things, we just want to give you some things that we'd actually tell you in our class, okay? So most of you that are living out of your van and living the life, congratulations, you are already all over social media. You may even have a social media following, right?
Absolutely.
And if you don't, we talk about that, right? Because you're living the life, you should have a following, right?
Absolutely.
So you can use those outlets to get repair business. But in addition, we're going to teach you other ways. There's apps. Like if you look up 5 Miles, Let It Go, OfferUp, Macari, there are a ton of them. Then you've also got Instagram you can advertise on,
Absolutely.
Twitter, Facebook. Now I know a lot of you might not be into Facebook. I know it's kind of old school, but we actually teach you how to do groups all over the country. So like say you're gonna go, this is my favorite thing to do. Like I have a group in San Francisco. I'm in Atlanta.
And there you go.
I love San Francisco, okay? So I made a yard sale group in San Francisco. No, I don't live there. But locals live there and they want to sell to each other on Facebook.
Absolutely.
So basically, I own this group. Whenever I'm in the area, I make as many posts as I want to about the services I provide, and I schedule them. I actually schedule them before I go there. Then I have my parts ordered, shipped to me wherever I am. I can use a P.O. box. I can use an Office Depot, a FedEx Center. All of these different places can have packages shipped to them and hold for you.
Absolutely.
So even if you're mobile, driving around, you just let the vendor know where, and you're presetting your destination. I'm going to be in San Francisco on this day. I need my package to be delivered to this location. You just simply make a call. Hey, Office Depot, can you receive packages for me? I'm from out of town. I'm going to be there this day, that day. I'll buy this from you guys and I need to go there anyways. Can you hold my package for me? You get the address, you get who it needs to be attention to. They ship the parts there. You already have your appointment set up because you've had these groups. You have the social media. Your friend requesting people you don't know. Your social media presence should all be the front of you are a mobile repair tech traveling the country. And as a solo female, I know that's the main topic here, but you could also be a man, okay? And you advertise that and you set up appointments. You go to the city you want to go to. You set up your appointments for 1 or 2 days. I mean, there's days I've made $1,000 in one day sitting outside of McDonald's in a city I don't live in. Yeah, I have literally been at the beach fixing phones for people in Florida. I even have photos of it, okay? So you can do this. With our help, our mentorship and support after class, you can travel and make money. Now, I wanted to bring up some safety tips since the topic of this video is solo, traveling, making money. Those are all things that sound kind of scary,
It sounds scary, but in today's world, especially with social media presence, it's not as scary.
That's right.
So, but as women, there are safety precautions you need to take.
That's right.
Number 1, having a video camera. Always video and letting people know where you are. You're having certain contacts, and like I tell every person, you should have a code word, a code word that tells people that, hey, I might be in danger, and you might need to call the police, and they know your license plate number or your van plate number or what it looks like.
That's right.
And what direction you were heading in. That way, if anything were to happen, they can send the police for help.
And even if you are independent, we're independent. We're all over the place. I'm traveling by myself all the time, right? I always have someone back home that knows something about my schedule in case something is out of order.
Correct.
Then a little red flag can go up. So you're just not out there lost in the world all, and nobody knows and nobody's looking for you, right? And so I would suggest that someone, whether it be a sibling, a best friend, a mother, father, mentor, you let us know,
Like, absolutely. Could you let us know? We can tell, hey, we got a technician over here. If you need your phone fixed,
need your phone fixed,
need your computer fixed, they can come look at it.
That's right. Also, I want to give you this little tip. Police stations all over the country have safe buying parking spots in front of their police station, and it's actually monitored by a police officer. So if you want to meet somebody there to do phone repair, you just pull right up and there's actually live video cameras and somebody watching it. Can't get much better than that. Now, I use Starbucks a lot, and I do it during daytime hours. So I just park my vehicle, I go inside, I set up. Everything is small enough for me to set it up. I do what I have to do, right? And then I get out of Starbucks and I go. And so I always feel very safe when I'm in that kind of situation. I don't tell people where I'm going, where I'm staying for the night, where I'm parking for the night, or anything like that. I keep all that pretty private.
And so these safety tips will keep you safe, but will give you the knowledge and the business acumen to be an entrepreneur and be a woman on the road.
Yeah.
Come see us here at CellBotics. I'm Michelle, the computer lady.
And I'm Nicole. I'm the cell phone repair trainer. And I just want to give you this last little bit of information. Do you know that we make on average $80 per repair? Computer repair, you're making $50 every visit to a customer before you even fix anything. Just think about that for a second. Let that sit in. If you're traveling in your van, you don't have much expenses. Let's say if you just work 2 or 3 days a month and you was able to make your income.
Hey.
Figure out what you want. I always tell my students, figure out what income you need, break that out by 80, and let's see how many repairs you actually have to do to get where you want to be.
There you go. So come sign up at CellBotics, and we'll talk to you real soon.
All right, bye-bye.